ThreeSum. This question I've solved it tired today that I could not finish it. I had to jump into another meeting. Then I came back again and I continued and I could not still finish it. I had to leave. Now I'm coming back again to do it, and this time around I'm promising myself I have to do it because I have to do it. Else I have to do it. So now you can read the question. I've read the question multiple times, and the question is just similar to the two sum that we did before, whereby you look for two elements in the array that add up to a target. But now we are looking for three elements in the array that add up to a target. In our case, 0 is our target. We are not just looking for only one solution, we are looking for multiple solutions. Now these multiple solutions must not contain duplicates, must be unique, and must not contain duplicate triplets. So this is what we are doing now. So we have to put in a lot of checks, finding edge cases, and different things. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me change this to array because it's array of numbers. So then, just like we did before, uh, that we're looking for something in this ThreeSum, I'm going to be using another technique that is going to um, make life easier. So I'm going to first sort the array uh, from the least to the highest. Then after sorting the array, I'm going to start doing for loop. I equals 0, I less than array dot length, I plus plus. Then I'm going to use a pointer in this scenario. So a pointer, I'm going to use a pointer to find the the sum, I mean the position of the element, then sum it up, then use that position to find if the array we are looking for, or if the sum we are looking for is equal to 0. So I'm going to say I'm going to use a left pointer. So a left pointer is going to, the first left pointer is going to be at 0, the right pointer is going to be at 4. Then we had -1, 0, and -4 together. So this left pointer now is going to be I dot 1, and the right pointer is going to be array dot length -1. So if we do that, we can do just like we're doing in our palindrome. Y is still this, while left pointer is less than right pointer. We can now do the sum of I plus array of left pointer plus array of right pointer. So the sum, so if the sum that we are looking for is equals 0, that means we've seen our triplets that add up to 0. So we have to push it because we're not just looking for one solution, we're looking for multiple solutions. So okay, so we have to push it into our output. So this output now is, should it be an array or an object? Let me use it as an object so that to avoid duplicate, because we said the triplets, they have to be distinct, they have to be unique. So there are two things now. The triplets must not be duplicates, must not be duplicates of themselves. Like I is not equals to j, I is not equals to k. Like they must not repeat index in the array, and the array itself must be unique with another array. So if you see -1, -1, 2, there are two solutions that are in this input now, there are two solutions with the same negative 1, 0, 1. So because there are two, we have to remove 1. So making assigning our output to an object is going to help us remove the duplicate. So if I say if sum equals 0, then our output of this is how I want to assign this output: left pointer, right pointer. I can say equals to true because I just want to know that it exists, so that I will not repeat myself. Then I can increment left pointer, then I can decrement right pointer. Else if our what we are looking for, the sum is greater than 0. If the sum is greater than 0, we just want to decrement the right pointer so that it will be coming, because our array is sorted from the lowest to the highest. So we just want to decrement. Else if the sum is greater than if the sum is less than 0, we want to increment the left pointer. With this, we can return our output, but don't forget that our output is an object, so I want to convert the object into an array. Dot keys, then, and if we convert it this way, it's going to give us an element that is joined together. We want to return an array inside an array. We don't want to return an element that is joined together. So we want to do dot map dot individual element. We want to do element dot split. When we split it, we want to split it by comma. So now that we have splitted it, it's going to give us an array of elements that are string. But if you look at our output, we have elements that are numbers. So I'm going to do dot map again of the element and say str, then it should return the number of this string. So with this now, we should have our output successfully. Please, hey, it's not working. Oh, what are we doing? Output equals to 1 and 2. So what are we pushing? Oh, don't push. Push a full element like this. That's what you should push. Don't just push the array. So let's run it again. Yep. So it's working. Makes sense. So let's try it with another solution, another example. If it's going to work. I've tried solving this thing multiple times. Oh my god. I just needed a break and come back and then try and solve it, and oh, makes sense now. There are some edge cases that I don't know. So let's just see if our code solve all the edge cases, hidden edge cases. Submit. You see, I've solved it multiple times. Please work. Work. Great. It took almost 3 seconds to work, and it's faster than 12.2% of JavaScript people. Oh my goodness. So after all my gra gra, it's still not fast. but anyway, it works. I can take a look later on when I have rested and see if I can optimize this code. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.